Hi, this is Ross Jurwitz, and I'm going to show you how to post a video onto your account on Best Lawyer Videos. Just walk you through that. Before we get started, I've got a couple of things lined up here to save us some time. Number one, what you're looking at is the home page of Best Lawyer Videos currently. I have a video here done by attorney Kim Cullen from Orlando that we're going to be adding, as well as a link to his homepage as well too. I've also installed a program called Jing, that's Jing, that's what we're going to use for photo capture. And then in addition to that, I've also got a brief little write-up that we're going to use for the actual post. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do here is after you log in, you're going to go up to the top on the visual menu and hover over Add New, and then click Post. And here we have the new post template here. On the right hand side, you'll notice that there's categories for practice areas. We'll be adding more and more as time goes on here, but down the bottom we also have another category section which pertains to locations, and those have been broken up by state as well as by the major TV markets here. So when you go through, go through and make your posts, you're going to be wanting to click on the categories or practice areas that you've been assigned to, as well as your location that's been set up for your account. It's already been set up. You won't have all these options that you have here. This is just the master account. So let's go ahead and get started here. So the first thing you're going to want to do, like I said, is go ahead and put in the text of your post. So I'm going to go ahead and copy in the title as well as the actual text of the post itself. And I'm going to use Kim's domain name as the anchor, or the link for the anchor text here in the post. We'll use Orlando Accident Attorney down here at the bottom. Make sure you always click on the open link in a new window here as well too, and just add the link. And this is a personal injury video, so we'll just click personal injury. And then Kim is from Florida. He's from the the Orlando area. So I'll click Florida and Orlando. And then the next thing we have to do here is we have to add the video. And the video is down here at the bottom. You see post video options down here at the bottom. First thing we're going to do here is we're going to take the YouTube link for his video and paste it into where it says video URL and click update post. Okay, now we're back here. We should have a video preview, there we go, of Kim. And the next thing we have to do is we have to actually take a thumbnail that we'll post here in the thumbnail option, as well as the featured image. And this is going to be important for the image that you see on the home screen, as well as other pages as well too. So I'm just going to go up here to Jane and click on the capture and just highlight the area that I want to include. Usually about 640 by 350 pixels is a good ratio here. You can see the dimensions here on the bottom right corner. Let's click release, capture the image, and we'll go ahead and click call this Orlando Pool Safety, and we'll save it. Save it into our Best Lawyer Videos site, where I've got other images here, and we're all saved up. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here to the post, and first go to thumbnail options. I'm going to choose file, and I'm going to choose the screen capture of Kim, and just click update post. You'll see here you got the thumbnail, and then the last thing we got to do here is click the featured image, and we're going to select file. Again, select the screen capture, and it pulled up. Okay, there we go. And we're going to give some alternate text here. Well, actually, let's change the title here as well too. We'll call this Orlando Pool. Oh, let's call it Orlando Child Pool Safety Lawyer. And we'll go alternate text, Florida Personal Injury Lawyer, Injury Attorney, Kim Cullen. We'll use the full size, that's fine, and we want to make sure we click on Use as Feature Image down here in the middle. Instead, don't use Insert into Post, just click on Use as Featured Image. And then we're all good. And you'll see it's saved right here. Okay, now there's a few other things that we could do if we wanted to. And this happens to be the SEO stuff. If you want to change how the title on the web page looks, description, keywords, this is where you're going to put it in. I'm not going to put it in right now. You can fool around with it and use whatever terms that you want to use for your own personal page title. I'll let you know though that the default works just fine, so if you don't put anything there, it's not going to hurt you. And then the last thing we're going to do here is we're going to preview. This will be his own little individual page. There you go. Looks pretty good. Got our text, title here as well too. Okay, exit out of that, and then we're going to publish. So we'll see the same post again, but now it's been published. There it is, and we'll go back to the home page, and it'll be now the first video featured right here, top left corner. It'll also be the first video currently in our rotation as well too, up on the carousel. So that's how you do it. That's how you go ahead and record a video and post it here to Best Lawyer Videos. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email, and I'll see you soon.